Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to install YouTube on older iPhone. So if you're trying to download YouTube and you're getting this error, this iPhone require iOS 13 or later, you must update to iOS 13 in order to download and use this application. So if you have older iPhone like iPhone 5, 5s, 6 and you want to download the YouTube, then I'm going to show you how you can download it in unsupported device. So before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. To install this YouTube app, you need another device, and on the other device you have to sign in the same Apple ID. A device that is iOS 13 or later. In my case, I'm using this friend's iPhone, so it's iOS 16. So once you have other device, go into the App Store and log in the same Apple ID. As you can see, that is logged in on another iPhone. You have to log in your Apple ID for a few minutes, then search for YouTube. So once you have the YouTube, click on download button and it will start downloading. If it asks for your Apple ID password, make sure that you enter the password of your Apple ID. So once the app is downloaded on this latest iPhone, then what you're gonna do, go back to your older iPhone, then close the App Store once and open the App Store again, and then click on user icon and click on purchased, and then here search for YouTube. Right, here we go. Here we have the YouTube. So if it's not showing, then sign out the Apple ID and sign in again and click on download icon, and this time YouTube will start downloading on your older iPhone. If it's asked for your Apple ID password, please enter the password. So here we go. Now as you can see, the YouTube is downloading on your older iPhone. So this is how you can install any application that is not supported on your older iPhone. So if this video helps you, if it doesn't, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.